1.
Hi guys, so day
1 officially.
Day 1 officially. Navigating Kaohsiung. Thank you Google Maps.
Formosa Station.
Sa Formosa Station.
Guys, amazing talaga ang train system nila dito. Naka-amazing. Tipong mapapa-SNL ka na. Underground, ramdam mo yung aircon. Ramdam mo aircon kahit underground. Ito sa ecological district for our first. Ayun yung MRT station nila. Dito ba tayo maghihintay ng bus?
Yes.
So ito yung bus station nila. May designated talaga. Waiting for the bus. So very precise nung nung oras nila ng bus dito. Saan tayo? Lotus Park. Dragon Pagoda. So free entrance dito, no? That's the full view ng pagoda.
Karen. 1, 2, 3. nakita ko yung kanina. Parang ano talaga nila, no? Hindi nila ginagalaw.
What the dog doing?
Ito yung loob ng tigre.
What the dog doing?
Pwede, posible pala yun. Yung tourist spot mo kasama with nature.
Okay girl, how's the
Let's go!
temple and pagoda?
Pagoda sa pagoda.
Goods na?
Goods. Ang refreshing.
Love yung turtles and
The turtles and the fish.
Refresh yung hangin. Hi guys, so we're on our way to Pier 2 Art Center sa Kaohsiung Music Center din. Nag-taxi na lang kami from Dragon and Tiger Pagoda going there. Kasi ano natin?
pagoda daw sa pagoda.
Let's go!
So, we're finally here sa Kaohsiung Music Center. Yung nakita nyo sa likod namin. So, this is situated near the Love River Bay. Off to our next destination, Pier 2 Art Center.
So kailangan talaga yung paa mo dito sa Taiwan sa paglalakad kasi mostly walking is a way of life. Ganda ng kulay, oh, blue, green, brown, tapos pogi pa ako.
Okay!
Ano pang hanapin nyo guys? Ako lang to. Oh.
So, from Kaohsiung Music Center, you have the option to ride taxi or LRT. Pero sa amin, naglakad na lang kami because we'd like to enjoy the view. But don't forget to bring your umbrella and wear comfortable shoes para okay paglalakad natin.
Ang init, dapat talaga nag-train lang tayo. Talagang nasa huli ang si How can I get through a night without you? 2, 3, go. Pitu, 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 pitu.
Kita tayo! Tara na!
Tuloy naman! Rati, laman ng isip mo ay ang pangalan. Blessed to be here, so I'll sing. Today is the day you have made. I will rejoice and be glad. First international trip. Praise the Lord.